Welcome. Thanks for joining me in this relaxing breathwork session. This is a quick and effective practice anytime you're ready to calm down and unwind, or right before you go to sleep. We'll begin by placing one hand on the belly and one hand on the chest. Close the eyes down and just begin to inhale in through your nose and exhale, softly opening up the mouth and letting it go. Sink into your own rhythm here, just beginning to turn inward, letting go of anything that came before this, anything that comes after this, and gifting yourself a moment in the present. On every inhale, feeling your breath, lift your belly and lift your chest up and expand. And take one more deep breath. And on the exhale, let your hands float down to your knees, palms facing up, open to receiving good energy, good vibrations. Next, we'll take our right hand, our right thumb, and place it over our right nostril so that we begin breathing in and out only through our left nostril. Right thumb to right nostril, block that nostril, begin breathing deep in and out. Start to slow your breath down. Isolated left nostril breathing promotes calmness and relaxation because it stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system. So this is a really beautiful practice to practice anytime when you're ready to calm down, wind down from a busy day, or you're ready to clear your mind and prepare yourself for really good sleep. If your mind begins to wander, just simply bring your focus back to your inhale and exhale. From right where you are, continue breathing in through the isolated left nostril, and now switch your fingers so that your index or your pinky covers the opposite nostril and exhale through your right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril, and then exhale through the right nostril. Simply, you're inhaling left nostril, exhaling right nostril. Repeat. Inhale left, exhale right. A few more rounds here. Breathing in through the left and breathing out slowly through the right. Finishing up on your next exhale, letting the hand come down to the knees, palms facing down. Let this energy circulate through your mind and body. Inhaling in through the nose, softly opening the mouth and letting out a breath. The next and final breath we're moving into is Sitalee Pranayam. You stick out your tongue and curl it into a U and begin breathing in through the rolled tongue and breathing out through the rolled tongue. If you're not able to curl your tongue like that, just simply make a little O with your mouth and breathe gently in and slowly back out. Sitalee Pranayam is known for its cooling effect on the body. It's also a beautiful way to relieve stress, improve the digestion, and detoxify the body. I'll let you sink in for the next 30 seconds here, eyes closed, breathing in and out through the rolled tongue. Take your last round here, and we'll slowly make our way to our final resting position, child's pose, to let all this beautiful energy integrate within us. Come to your knees, bring your bottom back towards your heels, let your hands stretch forward. You can let that forehead rest on the ground. Take a moment here to consciously let go of anything that's been draining, distracting, disturbing your energy, and hand it over to the higher mind. Allowing ourselves to experience these deep states of calmness and relaxation is such a power move. Choosing to connect with the present moment through the breath, through the body. Take one more deep breath here and slowly start to lift yourself back up. Take a moment here, letting your energy flow. Feel free to stay in that position or make your way to seated as we close the practice. Take a deep breath in and let it go. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments where you're tuning in and practicing from. I love being here with all of you. Wherever you are, have a beautiful day or a beautiful evening, and I'll see you in the next one.